So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your MetaQuest 3S is stuck on this black screen. So maybe you're trying to boot up your MetaQuest 3S and for some reason it's still continuing to just be stuck on this random black screen and you have no idea why that's happening. Now, the number one reason why something like this may end up happening is because you're having some battery issues with your headset. So the first thing I recommend doing here is going through on your MetaQuest 3S and essentially, going through and charging up your headset. This is, like I said before, one of the easiest ways to go and kind of fix and address this type of problem. So what I'd recommend doing here is just going through, basically essentially just plugging in your headset, charging that thing up, and that is pretty much an easy way of pretty much kind of fixing this problem, and that might end up fixing the problem for you, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to go ahead and make sure that that power button that you have in your particular console isn't randomly going through and being clicked down or something like that. Sometimes if you're holding that button down or if you have a case on your headset, sometimes that can cause some problems too. So just make sure nothing's, causing some problems there. Now, if you charge the console and nothing like that's going on, the next thing you may just want to go through and do is to go ahead and see if you can power cycle the headset. So hold down that power button on the side of your MetaQuest 3S, let that thing completely power down. It might take like 20 seconds. Go ahead and completely keep holding it down. And then after that, if it's shut down, you can let go and hold it down again until it powers back on. And once it starts powering back on, you want to let go of it. And you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And like I said before, that might end up doing it for you. And that's probably all you're going to have to do in this particular situation as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.